So you have to make the king talk, you know.
Yeah, I really make the king talk.
So vibes. It wasn't you the king of dancehall.
Alright.
I up the above, God bless, love. I up the above, peace, love. Yes. Peace, respect. Yes. It's gonna be crazy. Hey, be careful enough.
Yo, them dead enough. Hey, you! People dead enough. Alright, some of them are going easy back. Right? And this interviewer, I interview Masicka and Beenie man with the next man. I know the next man, I don't know women. Anyway, so the interviewer asks Masicka if it clash or go on between him and Alka. Beenie man with fame, no self. Respect to your Beenie man, but enough still. Beenie man with fame, no self. I go say, yo, that past, where past gone, where gone. I like clash even go on it. He clash to go on it, youth. Hey, Beenie man, careful now. But people, I do something and I know I love it still. You see me, I don't know how well I do it, I don't know how well I interact with it, but hopefully it is just for entertainment purposes only. But I have to come and talk about this, bro. You see me, I have to forward and talk about this, my father. You get what I say?
So I bring back right there. Like, what are you doing? Why are you sleeping, dog? Get up. You get to me and say,
Somebody need to come get them time.
this is how music goes. You gotta find a way to bring in your nemesis in the business.
Look at Masicka in the corner skinning off his teeth, knowing he's scared of clashing Alkaline.
Guys, let me tell you something. One man never run music. Never.
I don't know new rules. We show them so we break down barriers and make new you can. Run, boy, yeah. Shit.
Dancehall music, one man never, ever run dancer.
Beenie, I go up on stage and tell him to say, me not perform for you. Me not know you, bro. Jesus! Yeah, hear me. Cut when you all of them have to say.
So to that question, there was actually a good comment in here. Where is it? Yeah, from username 26 to Masicka to you, it's like, I'm not even going to try to speak patois.
Pussy, shut your mouth. Mind you get slap on you lip.
But Masicka, we wait upon the clash.
Yeah, so the fuckery start.
You and Alka. So, you know, to that point of like no one man could ever run dance hall.
Wow, I'm surprised.
You know, when is the clash gonna happen?
I say, hold up, wait a minute.
Answer that pass.
I hope so.
Okay. Something ain't right.
Alright, see the king just tell you what.
I did the king and what do importing. Any other king I must drinking and smoking.
See the king just tell you what.
I'm
free.
King just answer. Sometimes you have to make the king talk.
Yeah, I really make the king talk.
So vibes. It wasn't you the king of dancehall.
So, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, kitty. That's Alkaline style, man.
Yeah, I mean.
King talk.
I got my style, man.
So Masicka, me no response when nobody want to say, brother, you need to start the clash, bro. Yeah, but you go talk about Alka fall off and Alka not good, Alka song them flop. Yeah. What have you not? Yeah. We just not care. Right? Because baseball me a year, dog. It is just that the people nowadays are gravity to be a madness. You get me I say? When quality music a drop, brother, everybody over there, at least like, nobody go up on it. They rather listen to the negative music them. Right? But Masicka, come on, you didn't game for how long now? Almost 10 years. I probably didn't game for longer, Alka, I don't know. You never stated. But you did them in general. And you not just the clash man youth. And when you do Sicka easy me general. Just start the clash, brother. You make Beenie Man answer for you. Brother, we never hear Masicka say nothing. We never hear Masicka say nothing about the clash, bro. Right? I tell me say Beenie Man jump up and answer. Suppose Beenie Man never did on the talk show. Or where the interviewer interview them about. Suppose never did on it. What Masicka does say? I'm gonna say I'm busy now time. Brother, me do well want to hear what Masicka say, bro. Me do want to hear make Alka rub him out. Disintegrate him. Demolish him. Get him out of existence, my father. Exile him. Because everybody out there say, oh comes, okay. Alka can't clash Masicka because Masicka dance a long and Masicka a war machine. Brother, we don't know. Me don't even know if Alka can clash Masicka. Me don't know if Masicka can clash Alka, me general. Me don't know. You get me I say about a full time now, brother. He man even prove him sense, brother. Alka already prove himself. He don't need to prove himself no more. It is just that he want the clash between him and Masicka. Because Masicka always go like say, him and this crooks and dancer with untouchable. Me always say that. Masicka always move like say, yo, he's that untouchable person where nobody we can go against me general. You see me feel like him too hype now, brother. Everybody can chat about say, yo, how comes Alka I want clash Masicka because Masicka at now, when Alka did at Masicka want clash him, Masicka Alka never clash Masicka. Brother, I need if you understand, bro. Right? We don't need if you understand, say yo, a dog busy at the thing, brother. You understand? Sometimes when Alka there even want to clash Alka even dead so at the moment. Masicka probably there Jamaica, Alka probably there overseas. We don't know. You understand me I say? But here Masicka we get say you're busy at work for your album, whatever you have to release this year. But remember bro, I you see man say your dance sound nice without clash, you know. Which is so correct. We need it. You understand? We need it because watch you know. Right? Dancehall is all about, you know, dancing with everybody. Right? So the people can't able to contact with your interaction with the music where you give him father with a nice. Masicka if you can nice up the answer. Alka ready long time, you know. Alkaline is ready for the clash. Yeah man, I'm not gonna say oh Alka flop, Alka fall off, Alka not go and good, so Masicka not go look upon him. Bro, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if a clash song drop, brother. If I saw be the case and the man flop, bro, it will remain flop same way. You understand? Because clash not go revive back a dead man career, as I wanna say. So if I saw be the case then and the man career John, brother, just get with it and deal with it and done. Take him off of the map, make people stop talking about him completely. Oh, you fear man? I fear man. Masicka, you fear Alka bad. You fear Alka because you see how Alka did. Brother, Alkaline come and have everybody file, so that's your fear. You fear if Alkaline come dig up your file and deal with their way because you're gonna do some things that nobody know about, but Alka know. And that, yeah, look upon and say, bomba. Even though a boy, not hot, but I still want to keep up, but guess what now? A boy probably gonna want dirt me. Alka gonna dirt your brother. But you want to prove your essence, brother. You claim to say you're this war machine and you war machine people, you war idol as them say, you war the mark as them say, you war everybody as them say, pertaining to clash and you know. But that still doesn't say, bro, you still not have no dopey pay belt, you know. The man is still say sing song after when brother, when Alkaline clash 6 vibes, popcorn. I don't know if you clash them list, I never know about that. But brother, the man that clash them 3 man there, bro. Matter of fact, 6 people. Because Squashy have Chronicle under the one night, brother. Alkaline about every brother. Remember, Alkaline alone was against 3 man, brother. 1 man against 3 man, brother. And the man still stand up and defend himself. And that tell you upon your fear, Masicka. Oh, what have you see you come up with still? What have you see if you really go run, bro? You get to me, I say people respect you watch. Now what's about this? Because this, last time I talk about this now. I not talk about this no more now. Get to me, I say because this a waste my time, dog. You see me as some bigger fish fry. So me soon the next game. Big up on yourself.
Masicka remember this.
Vendetta no the pen, pan nobody for nothing, cause we a soldier.